Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create projects in Asana if you're looking to organize your team's work or manage tasks more effectively. Setting up a project is your first step toward better collaboration and productivity. First, go ahead and open the Asana web app in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your workspaces and existing projects live. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of the menu bar where you'll find the plus create button. This button is your gateway to creating new projects, tasks, and other organizational elements in Asana. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Project. This takes you to the project creation workflow where Asana offers you different ways to set up your new project. You'll see options for using templates or starting fresh, but for now, click on Blank Project. This gives you complete control to build your project structure exactly how you need it, without any pre-configured settings getting in the way. Next, you'll need to give your project a name. In the project name field, type in a clear descriptive name that reflects what this project is about. Whether it's Q1 marketing campaign or website redesign, choosing a meaningful name helps everyone on your team instantly understand the project's purpose. Now it's time to set who can access this project. Under the privacy section, choose your preferred privacy settings. For example, you can select private to project members if you want to limit access to only specific team members, or you can make it visible to your entire organization depending on your needs. This ensures sensitive projects stay confidential while collaborative ones remain accessible. Before finalizing, choose the views that will be available for your project. Asana offers different ways to visualize your work, like list view, board view, timeline, or calendar. Selecting the right views helps your team work in the format that makes the most sense for the type of project you're running. Finally, click the Create Project button. Your new project is now ready, and you can start adding tasks, assigning team members, and organizing your workflow exactly how you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.